One share bought at Tesla's IPO in 2010 would be worth about 300% in a single year, crashed by 2/3, then doubled again. No stock in modern history swings like Tesla. This is the story of the wildest stock on Wall Street. Panel 1, The Impossible Company, 2003 to 2010. Tesla was founded in 2003 by two engineers, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, to build an electric sports car. In 2004, a PayPal founder named Elon Musk invested and became chairman. The early years were chaos. The first car, the Roadster, was delayed and over budget. By 2008, Tesla was weeks from bankruptcy. Musk poured in his own money at the last minute to save it. The company limped to an IPO in June 2010, raising about $226 million at roughly $24 a share. At the time, Tesla was worth about $2.5 billion. Nobody called it a future giant. Panel 2, The Long Grind, 2011 to 2019. For the next 9 years, Tesla was a story about survival, not growth. It launched the Model S in 2012 and the Model X in 2015. Impressive cars, but the company barely made money. In 2017, it launched the Model 3, a cheaper car meant for the mass market. And then came what Elon called production hell. Tesla struggled to build the Model 3 fast enough. Short sellers circled like sharks. The stock was incredibly volatile, but it stayed in the hundreds of billions range, while analysts argued about whether Tesla was a car company or a tech miracle. By the end of 2019, Tesla was worth about $75 billion. And then, everything changed. Panel 3, The 2020 Blow-Up. 2020 is the year Tesla stock blew up. The Shanghai Gigafactory ramped up, delivery numbers exploded, and Tesla finally started printing real profits. But the stock went far beyond the fundamentals. It rose 783% in a single year. Tesla did a 5-for-1 stock split in August. And in December 2020, Tesla was added to the S&P 500, forcing every index fund on Earth to buy it. By the end of 2020, Tesla was worth nearly $670 billion, and it was only getting started. Panel 4, Peak and the Crash, 2021 to 2022. In 2021, Tesla became a trillion-dollar company, joining the ultra-elite club. Elon Musk became the richest man in the world. The stock hit its all-time high, and everyone wanted in. And then it crashed. In 2022, Tesla fell about 65%. The market cap collapsed from over $1 trillion to under $400 billion. What caused it? A brutal combination: rising interest rates, a slowdown in demand, and Elon Musk's decision to buy Twitter, which investors hated. One share before the 2020 split had grown into 15 after the 2022 3-for-1 split. But the stock itself was bleeding. Tesla went from hero to cautionary tale in 18 months. Panel 5, The Rebound, 2023 to 2026. But Tesla had more chapters. In 2023, the stock rebounded over 100%. In 2024, it climbed another 75%, pushing market value back past $1 trillion. By 2025, Tesla peaked near $1.6 trillion, propelled by hopes for robo-taxis. And here's where the roller coaster continues. In 2026, Tesla is worth about $1.35 trillion, with a stock near $340, down roughly 14% this year. The same forces that always move Tesla are still at work. Massive expectations, violent mood swings, and one man's very big bet on the future. So how does a company go from $2 billion to $1.3 trillion? By selling not just cars, but a vision: autonomous driving, robots, and the future of energy. And because of that vision, the stock trades like a lottery ticket attached to a real business. Tesla's shareholders have been through the boom, the crash, and the comeback. The lesson? Tesla is not a stock you watch calmly. It's a stock you hold on to. and you're never bored. If you like this, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.